In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect earbuds to Galaxy wearables. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to set up a pair of earbuds to a Galaxy wearable, and I'm also gonna be making a clarification about this. So first, I want to make it very clear. Unfortunately, you will not be able to directly connect your pair of earbuds to a Galaxy wearable device like a smartwatch. The wearables primarily function as extensions of your smartphone, so they rely on your phone's Bluetooth connection to handle audio devices like earbuds. So, if you want to use earbuds with your Galaxy wearable, what you have to do instead is pair the earbuds with your smartphone. All that you have to do is go over to the settings of the phone and ensure that your earbuds are connected to your phone via Bluetooth. So go over to the settings on your device, go to the Bluetooth category, make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on, and look for nearby devices. In there, you will be able to control the audio from your wearable. So once the pair of earbuds have been connected to your smartphone, you will be able to often control audio playback. So play, pause, skip tracks, and the volume from the actual Galaxy wearable. The specific controls available will depend on the specific wearable model that you have and the features. So essentially, your wearable is going to act as a remote control for your earbuds, but the actual connection is going to be maintained between the earbuds and your phone. So you cannot connect it to the wearable. You will be connecting the earbuds to your phone just like you would with any other usual model, and then use the Galaxy wearable as a remote control to manage the playback, such as play, pause, skip tracks, and the volume. So make sure that you go into the Bluetooth settings and change it in there as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect earbuds to Galaxy wearable. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.